Sex made it.
Gynel, I called you so that we can trash out issues. I know I'm married to a woman who loves me so much. But this is a woman whereby I can't find my love anymore. Gynel, did they cause you a fear at the China, the Sam, and then we have pressure, Gynel, when will this issue come to an end? You know very well that I love you so much. Even if I don't have it, it's my responsibility to squeeze myself and get it for you. Gynel, did they cause you a fear, and is that how you want it? Did they cause you, there be a problems upon problems? Is that the way you want it to be? Gynel, me di power chop. Dear Pima Kwaku dream so a year. Trust me and send your master for so that we can enjoy life and enjoy ourselves. The dear Quadi in Quasio, me peer corner be much. Me peer just a to the Minas in my poor woman, me beef your corner. Every day, Nsem.Ep. Because I know when I come, I'm not going to be happy. With the power chop. I'm speaking to you as a husband and wife. I beg of you.
If you want to be happy, then start being responsible. You was said here as a husband, and stop getting money for your friends and your family. They are not the ones you are married to. It's also we need to our real mood here, and I was said here. That is what I'll tell you.
Is that a response towards it?
That is the best response I can give to you. When you start being responsible, you enjoy the marriage. Maybe beside what they are, what's in there? Sina. Oh, me also my question, my family. I was saying, yes, I'm a nobody to you. So when you start being responsible, I also start be responsible as well, and you will enjoy me as well. Aside that, forget about it. If you don't get it.
Are you telling me I'm married because of money? Is that what you're telling me?
And are you also telling me you married me because of poverty? Huh?
And the answer is no.
Who are you so married now?
The answer is no to me, no to you. I'm telling you, I just here. So last time I mean,
Ghana is no pressure na eba no. We any adjustments asem o. What say? Any adjustments asem. So please don't give me those vibes.
Let me catch on some catch. Okay. Give me a smile, come on.
Oh please, stop spoiling my hair. I didn't be ye washing keke. Only my hair omo jeme. Ibusa anka o mame. Fifi!
Yes.
I'm talking to you. You are leaving.
Yes.
And so what did you leave behind?
What did you saw on the table?
That peanut. What am I going to use it for?
You call this peanut?
What am I going to use that money for? No, I need you to tell me what I'm going to use it for. Tell me. Catch me. Okay, enough. What you have for swap? Catch me. First, can I tell table on this one? Me find it. And so then, I'm not going to manage anything. My Miss Kana Sawako. My Miss Kano. Fee. Hey, you don't want to see the other side of me. You don't want to see the other side of me.
No, I don't want to see it.
Peace up peanuts now. They are
I don't know what I'm going to meet on my way there. You should understand that they don't know them divided into two. When I go,
now say scout better with you. First, I'm not accepting it. First, can mommy. Why Sunia? When Miss Cass wako.
Gynel, me patcho, the only one is so. Me patcho manage this. Me could do a minute.
I'm not going to manage anything in this house.
Are you selling me?
Can you come to me? Reach me to find a shame.
No, are you selling me out or what?
Am I selling you out?
No, because people are around. And the way
you're
you're clapping.
Baby, boom, palm on my pia bonting. No more, dear. You couldn't. A choir de me for to fiancé. They will see it.
No more. Gynel. This is what I have and I've given it to you. You are understanding woman. That's why I'm trying to explain it to you. Understand my situation. Me could do a minute work. This is what you need to do. And say who come anymore, you know. Who catch your mom? This is going to be so far.
Me penny only me line only me first no. Many line only me first. Many who fee. Many who got no drink for the soul.
What is this?
Chai, who don't call? Let's live here. First, can mammy. Mammy Scano. What time Scano go from Mount Puna? Who catch him say, I don't know what will happen on the way. I don't know.
I'm traveling to go and work.
Traveling my foot.
Me could draw, I'll send you money. That is the issue, understand me. Baby, okay?
Eh. It is kind of a see one. Me see Mammy Scano. Oh, going far. See!
The Benyano. No.
So, Quaba, why be too fear? Why be to me?
Who said the missing customer for him? Medical there was what the fair finna they can see our young mammy. Frisan Ram and I dream drew ya. Nabi Nimse, Minya baby Pammy me Tibet. Suman baby Pama me die. Sisana pace in Yamia Shin when your mother fair chin. Nesse fata some dawas. Na Mr. Yamisha and I make a seal and two abrabos. But I see you are young many years.
Yes, if you are in Conamtiasi, if you are in Conamtiasi, you will be a coming. Anytime be a say, over be a my Joe Fesso, which Martina anytime be a initiate.
The mechanic said, what come at me da sippy? Now fetch me some abra me banuso. Mamma was one to some eba. Yemia. Nyama ne kosu ofina doso. Atiti na kosu na fina manhwe ya metena mensa. So metena mensa. Bia de dimbekwa akọwie no. Oti akura so befu. Eno nti na ma. Mita me baga. Mitito ma me dia babedu. Ya me nshira wate. Do didi ma obedie no. Uko nshira no wo shira ne bi. Do wo ho adwempa no. Waka ne mpaebom. Sinya me be hwe na brabo. Ni de wo yeso. Na wie paye. So me dance.
My Joe Fesso. Say my catcher say Jardin no enye ma o dwendwen bebe sana ya na ha me ntin me sure wa Jardin no why don me say on say de bia me ka say ma de ho meti nti bibia no nya obotra ma o yere why sure wa e pampa e chi kwa me ba o yere ba ko kasa
huh what's he saying? Hey Yaa-Yaa yeah got that room se kroko to dwem onu de Gynel life man o de permanent way ya wonya hi e me dim power chop sa ho kire ba me suna me twa me ne me nyo bia me nyo gifo a wo ne me gifo a aroma me benya ha maso no mama so munyo me Gynel life man o so tinemu an ofi se oba fom a ya me pa ne wo ye why to me on the Gynel life man man
what come at it yeah you shake can't we there said I was in Gynel life man that and you maybe there
when card that you be some sasem we be da me pacho do be yaman bia medi kana se bibi ya pese me bia me to me nya hwe
Alba, don't have the one I go kitchen prepare them.
Me. Can I be seen your man? Crack, and Mamma.
I want to be doing
Not the basket. May you dear me be super.
Oh, David, Miss Shaw from Patch. Oh, the view. We will come to see and also see Mamma. There, and yet, Patch. So, the inside,
you don't get it. Me, yes, you, I mean, you be out.
Then my yes, I'm Patch. Inside and see. Or something like oh. Don't go inside. You are the chums to see, I know more. Like I said, and it's all the man and men do so. This show, patch. If you know, we hear the yard patch him. After patch, I say that I ain't perfume. I say what come. Robert Sickles and soon patch. See, go inside or not. What did you break fast? You're going inside and copy. But let me say.
Yaa-Yaa.
Yes.
Okay, someone is for crying. Didn't say me fair. Who are you? Because you are so exceptional. Everything about you is unique. Baby, I'm free to the man. And then your mamma from no, and you said, dear, who hear me? Said, if you by one city crummy, you've been to her. Meaning so him sending nippy. Nanko Bianca said, Rebecca, say, you're not going to watch it. What tell me so grandpa, oh, Bomica. Who it's me personally because who are you? Me, who are papa?
It's young, I'm the man, and one of the so. Me pet them, I and I had it. Who sent me uncle by it? Them, I had it. It's so many you will be out, I'm sure.
Remember who try ya? Now, where's the man? You only pa, a suffer, see a nominante. You shrinking of me. Then you know, so you, mamma, what?